Hello students. Today in number work we will study three things. Okay. First we'll study about more and less, and then we'll study about heavy and light, and after that we will study about full and empty. Okay. So children, when we have two things of different quantities, one is more in quantity, one is less in quantity. Okay. So first let's study the concept of more and less.
See children, we have two boxes of sweets here, right? See, in the left side the quantity of sweet is more, but in the right side the quantity of the sweet is less. So the left box has more sweets and the right box has less sweet. See, we have two plates of cookies here. In the left side we have more cookies, but in the right side we have less cookies. So the red plate has more quantity of cookies, but the blue plate has less quantity of cookies. See, here we have two jugs of water, right? See the left jug, it has more water, and see the right jug, it has less water. So the left jug has more water in quantity and the right jug has less water in quantity. See, we have birds here, so many birds, right? See, in the left branch we have more birds, but in the right branch we have less birds. So the right branch has less bird in quantity and the left branch has more bird in quantity. See, what are these? There are four tops and there are three flowers. See, the left side there are tops and the right side there are flowers, right? See, the top is more in quantity but the flowers are less in quantity. What are these? There are two ducklings here and we have five bottles here. So which is more and which is less? Yes, the bottles which are kept on the right side are more in quantity, and the ducklings which are on the left side are less in quantity.
So children, I hope you understood the concept of more and less. So children, now we will study about heavy and light objects. So when things are divided according to their weight, we call them either heavy or light. So now let's study the concept of heavy and light.
Heavy, light. This is a barbell. Can Ram lift the barbell? We'll see, okay, whether Ram is able to lift the barbell or not. No, it is too heavy. The barbell is very heavy in weight, so Ram cannot lift it. What is this? This is a feather. Can Ram lift a feather? Easy. It is so light. Right? The feather is very light in weight, so Ram can easily lift it. So the barbell is heavy in weight and the feather is light in weight. What is this? See, this is a basket. This basket is empty. Can Ram lift the basket? Easy. It is so light. The basket is very light in weight, so he can easily lift it. Now the basket is full of apples. Can Ram lift the basket? No, it is too heavy. The basket, which is full of apples, has now become very heavy. So, it is so heavy in weight that Ram cannot lift it. See, what is this? This is a bat. This bat is thin and light. Can Ram lift the bat? Easy. It is so light. The bat is very light in weight, so Ram can easily lift it. See, we have one more bat, but this bat is big and it is very heavy in weight. Can Ram lift this bat? No, it is too heavy. This bat is so heavy that Ram is unable to lift it. It is very heavy in weight. So, the bat is heavy in weight and another bat is light in weight. The left one is very heavy in weight, so Ram cannot lift it. But the right bat is thin and Ram can easily lift it. So now you understood what is heavy and what is light?
So children, I hope you understood what are heavy objects and light objects. So now we will study what is full and what is empty. See children, what I have. In this box there are so many colors, right? So this is full. It is full of colors, right? But in this box we have nothing. So this is empty. This is full and this is empty. In this way we will see more things, okay?
See children, we have two baskets here, right? See the right basket, it is full of apples. The quantity of apple is more, right? So it is full. But the left basket has nothing, so it is empty. See here, in the left basket there are so many cherries, but in the right basket there is nothing. So the left basket is full of cherries, but the right basket is empty. Children, can you see there are two glasses here, right? See, in the left glass the quantity of water is more, but in the right glass there is no water. So the left glass is full of water and the right glass is empty. See children, can you see? There is popcorn. Yes, but see the left container. There is nothing, right? But the right container there is more quantity of popcorns. So the left container is empty and the right container is full.
So children, I hope you understood the concept of more and less, heavy and light, and full and empty, right? So children, now we will meet in the next video. Bye children, stay safe.